Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the distributive property of multiplication. The distributive property tells us that a number outside the parentheses can be multiplied by every term inside the parentheses. Let's look at some examples. Six times the quantity of 9 plus 3. Using the distributive property. 6 times 9 plus 6 times 3. Notice that this is the same as 6 times 12, because 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Now let's calculate. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. And 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 54 plus 18 is equal to 72. Therefore, 72 is the final answer. Seven times the quantity of 4 minus 2. Using the distributive property. 7 times 4 minus 7 times 2. Notice that this is the same as 7 times 2, because 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now, 7 times 4 is equal to 28. And negative 7 times 2 equals negative 14. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. (28 minus 14 is equal to 14. Therefore, 14 is the answer. Four times the quantity of x plus 6. Using the distributive property. 4 times x plus 4 times 6. Now, simplify. 4 times x equals 4x. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Therefore, for x plus 24 is the final answer. Nine times the quantity of y minus 3. Using the distributive property. 9 times y minus 9 times 3. Now simplify. 9 times y equals 9y. And 9 times negative 3 equals negative 27. Therefore, the answer is 9y minus 27. (22 times 17). Notice that 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. So we have 20 plus 2 times 17. Using the distributive property. 20 times 17 is equal to 340. 2 times 17 is equal to 34. 340 plus 34 is equal to 374. Therefore, 374 is the answer. (37 times 26). Notice that 37 is equal to 40 minus 3. And 26 is equal to 30 minus 4. Using the FOIL method. 40 times 30 is equal to 1,200. 40 times negative 4 equals negative 160. Negative 3 times 30 equals negative 90. And negative 3 times negative 4 equals positive 12. Now, let's combine the like signs. 1200 plus 12 is equal to 1212. Negative 160 minus 90 equals negative 250. And 1012 minus 250 is equal to 962. Therefore, 962 is the final answer.